Hi guys, we just arrived home and this little one, my Holy Athena, doesn't wanna go to sleep yet. She's on the go, so she's happy. So while she's awake, I have a chance to. Oh, look at that. I love that pose. To take a photo of her. And look at that smile. You're so cute, Holly. I love you so much. Look at that, guys. She's on the top of the black cube box. Yay! She said, "Yay! I'm so happy." Look at that pose. Oh, God bless you always, Holly. And we love you so much. Your siblings love you so much, and your dad too.